Well, my peeps, we have a little bit of a dilemma. I tried to use my magic crimping tool, and it didn't turn out for me. And one of my subscribers said that I was using it wrong, so it was suggested that I look at a tutorial. I'm like, okay, because I was just going by the directions off the box. Okay, so now I'm going to just pretend that I have this wire, and I went up, put it on the tube first. Now this frayed. Snip. There we go. Alright, tube. Now we're going to pretend we put it around something. We're going to bring it back through the tube. Bring it up. That looks good. So, you crimp it, you get a ravioli look. There's your ravioli. Looks like a ravioli. Turn 90 degrees and crimp again. Oh my, this came out. Can I get in there? No. I have a hold of it. Alright, start over. Got another crimp. Get another crimp on there. And pull it through. Leave a little bit of a tail there. Now, in the groove, crimp. Ravioli. See, it already looks like something. Alright, turn 90 degrees and crimp. Turn 90 degrees and crimp. Turn 90 degrees and crimp. And just keep turning every 90 degrees or a quarter of a turn. However you want to do it. Just keep turning and crimping. Alright, how we do? Well, I wouldn't say that was a success. Maybe the magic crimping rod, or the crimping rod. Why do I keep saying rod? Pliers just isn't meant for me. Alright, let's snip this off. Snip it off. Do it again. We're gonna see if we can get this right. Down. Bring this up. We're gonna crimp. Get it in there, in the groove. It's in the groove. And squeeze. See, it's like it pinches the top part, but it's not pinching the bottom part. Alright, turn 90 degrees and squeeze. Turn 90 degrees and squeeze. Turn 90 degrees and squeeze. And just keep turning. Just keep turning. Now we'll go back the other way. Keep turning and squeezing. Yeah. Well, it's just not meant for me, I guess. I am just not talented enough. Let's see. How does it hold? Oh, it's got a good hold on it. Just isn't rounding it up like... I don't know. It should make it like a little ball so you don't have to get a crimp cover out. Whoops. That didn't sound good. Yeah. Well, I got on Beataholic. They showed me how to do this, and I still can't do it. I'm just not that talented. So, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Something's going on when I first crimp. When I first crimp it down. Am I not supposed to crimp so hard? All right, I'm going to do one more time. Snip, 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 snip. Here we go. That just flung backwards and went right in the trash. Wow. Couldn't do that if I tried. All right, all right, all right, all right. Yay, it's back up there. We're going to do it again. Something. Do I need to separate these wires a little bit? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, down inside the groove and squeeze. And we get like a little ravioli. See how the top part gets pinched? It's like the top part gets pinched. See how that? It don't look right from the very beginning. So if it ain't going to be right in the very beginning, it's not going to turn out right at all. So maybe it's not me, maybe it's the crimper. There's a defect in the crimper. I do not know. I do not know because I am not an expert at magic crimping rods. Or rod. Why do I keep... Oh, you know, my magic rod from Misty Moon Designs. I've got some magic rods from her. And that's where that's coming from. Oh, look at that one. Well, that one's better. Maybe practice makes perfect. Better, but could be prettier. All right, well, I thought I'd get on here and try a few more times. And, you know, I did go through. Oh, it just didn't hold. I could pull this right through. Here, watch. Let me see if I can get something in there. Yep. Didn't hold. There we go. Twink. Gone. Alright. Magic rod or magic crimper. You can go on there and collect dust. That's what I'm going to do. I solved it. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Hit like. It does help my channel by hitting like. Leave a comment. Good or bad, I don't care. I got broad shoulders, so let me have it. Alright, well, until next time, happy beading.